Hello and welcome to this in-depth exploration of Ethereum. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies, you may be wondering what Ethereum is and how it differs from other popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. In this video, we'll be breaking down Ethereum into simple and easy to understand terms so that anyone can grasp its significance. So, what is Ethereum exactly? To put it simply, Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that was created to build and run decentralized applications, or dApps. This means that instead of relying on centralized servers to run applications, the applications run on a peer-to-peer network of computers. The network is secured by cryptography, making it virtually impossible to hack or tamper with. The founder of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, envisioned a world where anyone could create decentralized applications without the need for middlemen. This would result in more secure and transparent applications, where the terms of the agreement between parties are directly written into lines of code. This is where the idea for smart contracts came into play. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts that automatically enforce the terms of the agreement once certain conditions are met. Now, you might be thinking, what's the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin? While Bitcoin was created primarily as a digital currency, Ethereum was created to be a platform for decentralized applications. This means that while Bitcoin has limited use cases, Ethereum has the potential to be used for a much wider range of purposes. From social media to gaming and beyond, Ethereum has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. But how exactly do you use Ethereum? To get started, you'll need to set up a digital wallet to store your Ethereum. You can do this using a variety of wallet providers, and once you have your wallet set up, you can buy Ethereum using traditional currency or mine it using your computer's processing power. One of the biggest challenges that Ethereum faces is scalability. As more and more dApps are built on the Ethereum platform, the network becomes congested, resulting in slower transaction times and higher fees. However, the Ethereum community is constantly working to address this challenge, and there are many exciting developments in the works that will help to improve the scalability of the platform. In conclusion, Ethereum is a powerful and versatile blockchain platform that has the potential to change the way we interact with technology. Its smart contract functionality and growing community of developers make it a platform to watch, and its potential for growth is limitless. We hope you found this video on Ethereum informative and easy to understand. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos that make technology fun and accessible for everyone.